Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You will open Device Manager now and take essential steps. First, press Windows key plus X and choose Device Manager. You need administrative rights, so sign in as an admin if prompted. Once Device Manager is open, use the View menu and select Show Hidden Devices so ghosted printers appear. Make sure the printer is connected via USB or on the same network. This helps Windows rediscover it. Now, locate the Printers or Print Queues node so you're ready to act on missing entries. Once you see the printer or a hidden ghost entry, right-click and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm and remove driver software if offered. After removal, click Action right arrow scan for hardware changes to force Windows to rediscover the printer, or use Add Legacy Hardware for stubborn devices. If Windows doesn't reinstall automatically, download the latest driver package from the manufacturer and run the installer. This replaces corrupt drivers. Make sure to pick the correct model and OS version. Once the driver is installed, restart the Print Spooler service. Open Services. MSC, find Print Spooler and click Restart to clear queued errors. Make sure the printer appears in Devices and Printers. If not, try a different USB port or reconnect to the network and temporarily disable firewall or security software to rule out blocking. If problems persist, open Event Viewer and inspect System and application logs for error codes. Those codes point to the root cause and guide next steps, like driver rollback or firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.